This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by signing in to OneDrive with your work or school account on your computer. Confirm that OneDrive is installed or update it to the latest version for stability. Verify you have at least the expected free local storage for files you will sync. Make sure you have permission to access the Sharepoint site and library from your account. If you need admin help, contact IT now to grant access and avoid delays. Open your web browser and navigate to the Sharepoint site and the specific document library. Click the blue Sync button near the library header to tell OneDrive to start syncing. Your browser may ask permission to open the OneDrive app. Allow it to proceed immediately. OneDrive will prompt you to confirm the local folder where the library will sync in File Explorer. Accept the default or choose a different local folder to organize your synced. Check the OneDrive icon in the system tray or menu bar to view sync status and recent activity. Use the OneDrive settings to pause or resume syncing when you need bandwidth or to debug issues. Enable selective sync to choose specific folders and avoid syncing huge libraries you will not need locally. If a file conflict occurs, open the conflicting file using the correct application and save the final version to OneDrive. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.